Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth and I'm an early childcare educator here in Ottawa. I make videos on DIY crafts and activities for kids every week. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter-free bird feeder. So here's what we're going to need for today's activity. A couple toilet paper rolls, a hole puncher, a paintbrush, some measuring spoons, birdseed, an empty bowl. I'm going to be using a tray. You can use a plate, paper plate, anything flat that we can put the bird seed in. Some yarn or twine to hang your feeders in a tree. And then for our kind of paste that we're going to use to stick the seeds to the toilet paper roll, we're going to use 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of flour, and 1/3 cup of sugar. So to start, we're going to mix together the sugar, flour, and water in a bowl, and this is what we're going to use to stick the bird feed to our toilet paper rolls. So give it a good mix to make sure to get rid of any of those flour clumps that can form. Okay, so before we put the glue that we've made onto our toilet paper roll, I'm just gonna spread my seeds onto my tray so that we're good to go for the next step. And we're just gonna spread the seeds into the tray. Next, we're gonna grab our hole puncher and just punch 2 holes in your toilet paper roll, and then we're gonna put a string through it to hang in the tree. Okay, so we're gonna grab our yarn and cut out a piece to string through the toilet paper roll. I'm just gonna go ahead and string it through before we start. So now we're all ready to grab our glue and use the paintbrush to spread it all over the surface of the toilet paper roll. Don't be afraid to be generous with the amount of glue you put, just so that the seeds really stick well to it. All right, we are ready to roll this in the seed. There we go. All we have to do is just let it dry a bit, and then we can go hang it in a tree outside. So what's great with this activity is that it's peanut free. Since we're not using peanut butter as the base, we're using flour, sugar, and water. Just make sure that your bird seed doesn't have any nuts in it. So this is great to do in any school or daycare environment. So this is the perfect activity for springtime. We all want to be spending more time outside. The weather is nicer. Lots of birds are chirping around. If any little visitors come and eat off your feeder, make sure to snap a photo and tag me in it. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. I come out with new videos every week. See you next time.